I got unlimited options. They texting my phone now. I want your attention. You could be the only one I'm trying to see now. Let's figure this out.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a quick one. I'm going to be unboxing my Polaroid camera, and we're on a picnic. So it's a beautiful day in Chicago. So join me. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to use Portia and Antonisha as my models today. We're on a nice little picnic, like I told you guys. It's nice and cute out here. This is what I'm going to be unboxing. Okay guys, so I'm going to open it up now so that we can get it started. It comes in a regular little brown box. So it comes like this, says Polaroid. And this is the One Step Plus. I upgraded mine and I got the black and white film and 2 color types. And oh, I thought it came with one of these, but I bought this one at Target the other day for about, I don't remember, 24 bucks probably. So we're gonna be testing out most of these. All of them have 8 film in them, so they are a little expensive, but at Walmart you can get 60 for $80. So 60 film for $80. Target. Okay, so we're gonna test them out and I will show you guys the finished product. I just realized I forgot to show you guys what's in the box, the actual camera, the reason you're here. So it opens up like this and the camera pulls out. I'm not talking like I already know how it's about to be. I just don't want to struggle on here trying to get it open if you want the truth. Okay, so it says One Step Plus, Polaroid One Step Plus, and it's cute. So now I will show you guys how everything comes out. Stay with me. Let's see, hold on now. They got it all wrapped so that it's protected.
How I move, way I talk, they try to pick it up. I can call when I want, she be picking up.
I literally forgot I was recording a video and started enjoying the picnic, but I'll insert some pictures of what I took on the Polaroid right here. Okay guys, so here are the pictures that I did take. I didn't take many because, like I said, I did forget that I was even recording a video. So that's my fault. But these were taken with the iType 600 film. It's supposed to make them look a little old school and vintage, which I think they came out really nice. That one is from my mini Polaroid. But I think they turned out really nice. Only feature that I did use was the double exposure. As you can see, we did it a little wrong because I should have had to move over a little bit more so it could have showed on each side, but I'm working on it. So this weekend I'll have more to show. I'm going to be going on a staycation to Nobu and I'm going to take my camera and use some of the features, so stick with me.
So you will be on the 5th floor.
Okay. Thank you.
As we like to say, Hiroshima, welcome to our house.
Thank you. This is so nice. Like, Very nice and modern. I think I just locked myself out, but I left my key in there. Hi guys, we are currently at Nobu, Nancy. It is our staycation weekend, so y'all ain't gonna see everything, but y'all gonna see what we want to show. She's looking it up. We're gonna get some real good content for y'all and some pictures. Tiara needs to get back on the gram. So yeah, stick with us. It's beautiful out here in Nobu Chicago. I'll show you a little bit. So we can't show y'all the menus because of everything is virtually done. But we both got market margaritas and it looks. So to start off, we got the rock shrimp tempura and a sushi roast. So we will let you guys know. We're probably gonna order some more. We sent those drinks back that we had. If you come to Nobu, just know that margarita is spicy. It has like some kind of Japanese peppers in it. It's so hot, like I felt like something exploded in my stomach. But I'll show you our next drinks when we get them. Okay, so here are our better drinks. Because yeah, so regular margaritas, let's see if they taste like regular margaritas. Let's try. Yes, that's a lot better. And you get to choose between Don Julio or Patron. We got Patron and it tastes good. Okay, so we didn't have much, so I feel.
But this gentleman, you were right, would like to know if you would accept a drink from him.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
You're working so hard, like taking all the pictures.
Oh, thank you.
What can I get you a drink?
Thank you.
Another margarita.
Oh, margarita, please.
The margarita?
Yes, regular one.
Regular.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that was cute. This guy just bought us a drink. This is such a great view from Nobu. Me and Tiara are having such a great time. Oh, Nobu is so cute, guys. This is the outdoor patio. The bar. We're out. We're about to get some content for you guys. Follow us on Instagram. I'll put Tiara's at the bottom because she's gonna start posting. But this is beautiful. Chicago is such a beautiful place. Me and Tiara walking around by our hotel, tipsy and looking for, girl, I don't care, looking for some wings and fries. And y'all know, our cars is parked too far and we ain't moving them because we already paid for the parking to be there this weekend. We have had a great day. A little tipsy, but it's pajama time. Target. Pajamas. It's time for bed, y'all. After these wings. Come on, T, let's eat so we can. It's bedtime.
We gotta get up early and I'm gonna hit sleep.
We did sit here and order some wings and things. And I'm gonna put on something that's gonna end up watching us apparently. It's day 2 of our staycation. Look at T.
Pool party, guys.
Ah, booty. So we're going to a pool party. we've been enjoying our little staycation. It was nice last night. So, where to today? Stay tuned. Walking to our car. I told y'all it was some blocks away from the hotel. But we making it.